Let's unbox the all-new Mi A3. Do you want to be one of the first to get your hands on the Mi A3? Watch this unboxing video and make sure you pay close attention. Answer the questions at the end correctly and you could win a brand new Mi A3. In the box you'll find the Mi A3, a basic protective case, a SIM card ejector tool, and a USB Type-C cable with wall plug for charging. On the front you'll find its 6.088-inch AMOLED display with a front camera in the very small dot drop. The front camera has been giving a significant upgrade to 32 megapixels for super high-resolution selfies. The Mi A3 is the first in the series to include an in-screen fingerprint sensor on front of the phone for very easy unlocking. The Mi A3 also comes with a 3.5mm headphone jack and a SIM and SD card slot, allowing you to expand the internal storage. The Mi A3 comes with flagship camera specs. On the back of the Mi A3 you'll find a super high-resolution 48 megapixel camera, an ultra-wide-angle lens so you can fit everything in your shots, and a depth camera for you to take these very good portraits every time. This has been shot on 48 megapixels, and when we enlarge the photo you can see the invisible man on the bench. This is without the ultra-wide-angle, and this is with the ultra-wide-angle mode. On the inside, the Mi A3 has been given some significant upgrades. It now comes with a Snapdragon 665 processor, improving its AI performance and giving you a more powerful experience. It comes with a much larger 4030 mAh battery, supporting 18 watts charging. The Mi A3 comes with Android One, giving you the cleanest, pure Android experience with Google Assistant for a very affordable price. Get things done and stay on top of your plans while on the go, in the car, or at home with the Google Assistant using just your voice. Now, how many megapixels are the Mi A3's front and back primary sensors? Put your answer down below in the comments and you will have a chance to win the all-new Mi A3. In a nutshell, this is the all-new Mi A3. You can learn more on mi.com.